The ODK 40-inch gaming desk is equipped with multiple USB charging ports and power outlets, making it easy to keep your devices powered up during intense gaming sessions or work hours. Featuring vibrant LED lights with a variety of colors and brightness settings, this desk can enhance your gaming experience by creating an immersive environment. Its spacious design allows for ample desktop space, accommodating multiple monitors and providing large storage areas for your essentials. The L-shaped configuration of the desk is perfect for corner spaces, optimizing room layout and offering a modern aesthetic to any home office or gaming setup. Constructed with a strong metal frame and durable materials, the desk is both sturdy and resistant to scratches and water, ensuring longevity and stability even on uneven surfaces. Assembly is straightforward with clear instructions and labeled parts, and the responsive customer support ensures any issues are promptly resolved.